Emma, go to sleep. You need to sleep.
Everyone knows that economic times are tough, but
Sleep, little girl.
in your own home. If you act right now, you'll be qualified for
No, sleep.
cash bonus during Cash for Gold nationwide.
It's 12:30 in the morning.
Call for a
Sleep.
fill it with your unwanted items.
Little girls need sleep to become big girls.
Get your $100 bonus. As the world's largest buyer of consumer gold,
Huh?
Cash for Gold owns their own
Why aren't you sleeping?
no middleman. And that means more cash direct to you. Don't wait.
You just gonna rock?
Help you declare an end to your personal recession right
Just
now.
gonna rock, huh?
Official $100 cash bonus. Call 1-800-769-5977 now or go to
Ooh, oh, go back on midnight there.
exclusive 12-day satisfaction guarantee.
What are you doing? Silly girl. You're a silly girl. You're a silly girl.
Number one is, I saw one
Stinker.
for,
You're such a stinker.
okay, how much did you want for?
What are you doing?
5,000.
What are you doing? What?
I see the same watch.
What are you doing?
With an
You're supposed to be sleeping.
500. That's what I have on.
Yeah. You're supposed to be sleeping.
For $5,000 for watch.
12:30 in the morning, you're supposed to be sleeping.
That's because
Not awake.
I tell you 2,500.
No.
For less. No. You know, I have a problem when someone comes
No.
for more money than something's actually worth. And you're going to ask me for 5,000 and then
At least you're in a good mood, huh?
2,500.
You happy, baby? Happy, baby, yeah.
100% top of your
Baby.
insulting.
Yeah, you're happy, baby.
What kind of offer would you make?
You're very happy, baby.
Not interested. Not interested.
You gonna talk? There you go.
Interested. I see him going
What you gonna talk about?
on eBay. Yeah,
What you gonna talk about?
that's it.
Huh?
Made in Chinese.
What you gonna talk about?
This one
Huh?
here? Made in Switzerland.
What you gonna
So
talk?
how do you know that the new one?
What?
Well, good.
What?
Buy from the UK. Except found a few knockoffs on the internet and just printed those out. So
You
you
gonna talk?
can assume that it must be a knockoff. But it's okay.
Little bit?
On Craigslist, I would have had a fight.
What you got to say?
Maybe look again. Like, watch them on it. I appreciate my thanks.
What do you think about all that snow out there? Oh, let's drool some more. Oh, yeah.
In the heart of Detroit's 8 Mile lies